Okay, hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to how to make your face to 3D effect on a CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, you can add the photo or the video that you want to edit at the CapCut apps. And after this, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the so you can just click on the clip, this one, and after this in here you just click on the style, and after this you can swipe until you can see 3D vest 3D cartoon effect, this one. So you just click on it. Okay, and after this you can click check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to make your face to 3D on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.